Today we're going to do 3 things, and we're going to be working with photos. The first thing I want to do is under my view. I want to make sure I am in the design view. And so I've got my properties right down here. So when I click here, I can see that this is actually reindeer number 4. When I click on this one, this is reindeer 2, reindeer 3, and here I have reindeer 1. So these two need to be swapped. So to do that, I'm going to click my folder. Okay, and I'm just going to double click reindeer 4. Okay, and now reindeer 4 is here under 4. Right here, I've got reindeer 4, and that needs to be Prancer. So I'm going to click the folder under Properties, and I'm going to double click reindeer 1. Okay, so now I have those in the correct place. Okay. To add a description to be read, I'm going to click here. It's going to be photo of reindeer in the snow. Okay, and that automatically adds the alt tag, which again will be read by a screen reader. Finally, I need to move a file, so I can look over here at my assets panel, and here are all of my assets. Okay, so I can click here at my asset panel, and I can see all of my assets. I can also see the size and the dimensions. Depending on what you're doing, that may be important. And I've got mine here, reindeerdance.gif, and I have it highlighted over here as well. And I want to move that into the images, so I can just click and drag and let go. Okay, and now that is in my images folder. Okay, maybe if I wanted it in my gallery folder with the rest of my reindeer, again, I can click and drag and place it in the correct folder, and it will be there. Finally, on pictures, right here is where we can lock and unlock the aspect ratio. So now if I want to change the height to maybe 1200, it will automatically adjust the width to keep those same parameters. However, if I uncheck this, if I unlock it, then that may allow me to go ahead and do an actual 2000 if that's what I want.